What is poppin'? Your girl is back with another video, and today I'm just going to be doing a video on how to reapply your lace or just apply it in general if you do not have a blow dryer or glue. So this all started because I had lost my blow dryer. Well, not even lost it. I had left it in Texas because I'm there pretty often, back and forth, and I need to figure out how to apply my lace because I still need to have my lace intact. So I keep a lot of Got2b products and glue, but I felt like it was harder to use glue without the blow dryer. So this is literally going to be all you're going to be needing for this tutorial, and your wig girl, and let's get into this video. So now you can see I have the wig here. I'm making sure the ear tabs pretty much match, and what we're going to be doing is just taking this and putting it on the perimeter. Not even a lot, you see, maybe like this much, and just gonna put it exactly where I want to lay my lace. And I usually do this in sections. Then I don't know if you can see that. And then we're gonna get this together. Take that and I'm gonna kind of pull it and push it in there. Then we're also gonna take that and push with our hands just to rub that in. Because this here, if you do not use a lot, you don't even have to wait a drying time. You just kind of put it on there and it dries pretty quick and will dry by itself for you. Then after I get that done, just kind of pull that down in the back, just kind of secure it a little better. Do you see that? This is on. And then I'll just do the edges. But the thing is, this stuff is white, so the key to it is putting the amount so it's not white, so it's clear. Little enough so it's clear, so then you don't have to wait. But if you put a lot on there so it's still white, then you'll have to wait a little longer. Okay. Then I'll kind of just hold on to the ear tabs just a little bit longer. Because the tabs closer to your ear always take the longest. Everybody knows that if you're familiar with wigs, if not, but the ears always take a little longer. So I would just do a little more time on that. And then I'll just be back after I get done fixing this wig up. All right, and now this is all done, and you just saw me. Thank you for watching.